We recently dissected an owl pellet, and it was so much fun! Now it's time to write a personal narrative about our experience. But before we write our essay about our owl pellet dissection, we are going to plan our writing. Good writers don't just start writing, they think first, organize their ideas, and use a graphic organizer. Today, we are filling out our planning sheet. This is where we jot down ideas, not full sentences yet. Maybe a few is okay. Mostly just short notes to help our brains remember. Download the planning sheet and work along with me. Your first paragraph is your introduction. This is where you grab your reader's attention. Start with a hook. It could be, have you ever wondered what an owl eats? Guess what I found inside an owl pellet? At first, I felt nervous when I saw the owl pellet. Write your hook while I write mine. Next, give a little background information. Who was there? What were you doing? Where were you? Finally, write your thesis sentence or a topic sentence. This tells what your whole essay will be about. For example, today I will tell you about my experience dissecting an owl pellet and what I discovered. Now we're moving to our first body paragraph. Think of this paragraph as your tool spotlight. You're telling your reader, here's what I used and how I used them. At the top, pick a transition word to move your story along. It could be first or to begin. Once you've picked your transition word, write your topic sentence in the box. You can write something like, first, we used tools to dissect the owl pellet. Or, to begin, we used several tools to examine the owl pellet. Then, on the lines below, list your tools and how you used them. Short notes only. You can bullet point them like this. Let's move on to the second body paragraph. In this paragraph, you'll answer the questions. What procedure did you follow? What did you find? For the next transition, you can write next, then, or after that. Then write the topic sentence in the box. You can write something like this. Next, I followed the steps to find what the owl ate. Or, next, I followed the steps to find out what was inside the owl pellet. Once that's done, jot down briefly the things you did in order and list the bones you found. Bullet point them like this. We're almost done. The last section is your closing paragraph or the concluding paragraph. This is where you wrap it up, bring your essay to a close. Here, you're going to restate your main idea in a different way. Tell what you learned and how you felt about it, and possibly add a hope for the future. Make it brief, and once you've completed the entire sheet, begin writing. Now remember, this planning sheet is just a guide. You can always tweak your story by adding more things in your actual writing. Here's a completed essay. Did you notice how I sprinkled in a few fun tweaks and switched up some of the wording to make it even better? Have fun writing! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing videos.